Well, there's Chewy, the shop dog. She's getting so much better. I'm not so worried about her running away, running off. In a time-honored Northwest tradition, it's Socks and Sandals Day. And the Willys Wagon is up on blocks, jack stands. I'm gonna put some safety blocks under it too, because then I'm gonna run it and see whether all four wheels are locked up or not. I don't think they are, but I think the left front is. I don't even know how to engage the four-wheel drive, to be perfectly honest with you. So we're going to first learn that and hope that the four-wheel drive will work. So we're not doing that today, or we might do it a little bit later on, but first I need to make sure it doesn't come off those jack stands. Well, we're going to try and fire this puppy up and see if it's going to move. So first things first, I suppose. One, we don't want to see it move, we just want to see the wheels turn.
So let's go. Put some power to it. Oops. Fuel everywhere. We hope it's stable enough to...
Well, the rear wheels moved, that's for sure. I wonder if the front wheels moved. I have no idea. Well, let's give this one more try. It went forward, it went reverse. Come on, you can do it. Well, these are all state hubs. Engage and disengage. I'm very curious as to whether, if I were to find a way to engage these hubs, whether it would work. So let's go see what we can do about lubricating them. Right, well. If I took the plate off, presumably hitting it with a piece of wood, Ooh, there we go, some motion. So it's all the way engaged. Alright. Well, disengage is to tap it all the way down. And every time I turn around, I've got some fuel in the way.
Interesting. So one was engaged, one was not engaged. That was engaged, this is not engaged, so we're coming back to it. Okay.
These are the control levers for the four-wheel drive. The smallest one on the right, when it's down in the position that it's in now, seems to engage the rear wheels. The right front wheel was in disengaged position. The left front wheel was in engaged position. Question, do they both need to be engaged for something to happen, or could just the one on the left work? I suspect the one on the left could work, but currently they are all in disengaged. But if somebody can let me know, and of course these don't seem to want to move too particularly well. So somebody let me know how to run these things with it. Okay, well, the engine started. Everything's in gear. Yes. Thrilled that the experiment worked. Now, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be able to remove these wheels and brakes simply, but it does mean that there's a chance. I begin to understand more and more every day. It's a wonderful thing. I'm never going to be a mechanic, but I can pretend for a while. And I feel like this was a moment that tells me I'm closer to getting this puppy running. Thanks for stopping by.